So I am back with another free AI topic which is face swapping. Yes, now you can swipe the face of any person in a video. So let's dive in. So this is a website here. You can swipe the face on this side. You will get 80 free credits after sign up. Now click on AI video and text image to a video. Now select the motion control. Now add the motion video. Then add a character image. Now paste the prompt here. You can pause the video to check the prompt. Anyways, select the video generator in 2.6 with 720 pixels quality and it will use 68 credits and after sign up you will have 80 credits. So this is the output. The output was outstanding, but actually there are two more steps which you should done before going to make a video. Firstly, you will come to this website, Video Frame Extractor, and then click on browser to upload the video. Then scroll down a little and set the quantity of frames. I'm gonna extract one image from this video, then click on extract. And within just 1 second, it will extract the frame from the video. Now you can download it. So after this step, come to this website which is Weave AI. Now click on create new file and right click here. Then click on prompt. Again right click and click on import. Now right click again and click on import. Right click and type in the search bar GPT. Some options will be shown here. Let's select GPT image 2.0 edit. Now match the dots as I will. First dot with the prompt section and second with the import section. Then click here and make one more dot and match it with the second import section. Now import the images which do you want to use in your video. Then paste the prompt here. You can pause the video to see the prompt. Anyways, now click on GPT image 2 section. There will be show a sidebar. Click on GPT image 2. Then there will be show a drop down. Select GPT image 2 model. Then select the high quality for better results. Resolution will be the same auto. Then click on generate. See it make the image of a girl with the same color and background of the reference image. Now download it. Now you can go with your reference characters image and the reference video on the Orange AI and swipe your desired face. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.